everyone, I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can add leads from FormStack to Flowlu account automatically. So let's understand what these software applications are all about. FormStack is a form building software application and Flowlu is a CRM software application. So the idea here is that you have created some forms in your FormStack account. The form can be a registration form, a lead form, application form or any type of form. Now you want that whenever any of the customer or the applicant fills that particular form, automatically the details of the applicant should be created as a new contact into your Flowlu CRM account so that a customer database can be created and you can use that database for your offers and promotional purposes or for your business activities or for any other reason. For this, we need to create a connection between FormStack and Flowlu. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. To start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as add leads from FormStack to Flowlu. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills your FormStack form, automatically the details of the customer should be added as a new contact to your Flowlu CRM account. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find FormStack. In the trigger event, we have to select new form submission. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with FormStack. Now as I am already logged into my FormStack account, it is requesting for the access for the API permissions. So let's click on authorize and give away the permissions over here. Authorization successful and now the FormStack account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my FormStack account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your FormStack account. Okay. Now here we have to select the form. So I'll take you to my FormStack account. This is the dashboard and here I have already created some forms, that is lead form, feedback form and the contact form. So I am just using this particular lead form in this integration. Let's open it. And in this form, I have taken the basic fields of the customer, that is the name, email address and the contact number, the phone number. So if you want to add some more fields, you can add the fields from here as per your requirement. Okay. And if you want to embed this form on a particular website, simply click on this share button. And here you will get the form link. So by using this form link, you can embed it on a website. Okay, I'll just go back to the form. And the form name is lead form. So we have to select the same form name over here in Pabbly Connect, that is lead form, and click on save and send test request. Now here we can see that it is waiting for response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So I'll just open the form in a new tab by clicking on this view live form option. And we are going to fill in the details on the name of a customer. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith321@gmail.com and let's add the phone number. and click on submit form. Thank you, the form was submitted successfully. Okay, so the form has been filled. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that the responses received and all the details of the form submission are captured over here. First name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as well as the mobile number. So now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a new contact should get created into your Flowloo account. So come to this action window. Here in the choose application, let us find Flowloo. In the action event, we have to select create CRM account contact. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and account URL. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Flowloo account, navigate to the system settings page from the left sidebar. You can find your account URL and your API key is available under the API settings section. So I'll just take you to my Flowloo account. Okay, let's move to the home page, that is the feed page. And from here, we will be just moving to the system settings option. Click on system settings. And here we can find the API settings option. Click on it. And here we can find the API keys. So we are going to create a new API key over here by clicking on this create button. Here we have to give a name for the key. So let us give it as FormStack Integration. Here you can give the name as per your requirement. Select the applications as CRM and click on Save. And here we can see that a new API key is generated. FormStack Integration named. Let's copy this API key from here and we'll be pasting the same API key over here. Okay. Now the account URL is required. Enter your account URL with the leading HTTPS protocol. So I'll take you to my Flowloo account once again and here we can find the URL. So I'm just going to copy this URL and we will be pasting the same URL over here. And the backslash is not required, so I'm just removing it and click on save. Okay, and now the Flowloo account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Flowloo account also. Now here we have to give the first name, last name, email address and other details of the customer. So we have already got all these details from the FormStack form submission. So we are going to map these details now. Okay, let us map them one by one. Okay, we have to map the first name from FormStack, that is Adam, last name as Smith. Here we have to map the email address. And if you have the description of the contact, you can map it over here. You can select the category as per your requirement. Various categories are available. I'm just keeping it as a customer. You can select the industry also. Let us select it as technology. If you have the address details, you can map the address details over here. Okay. We have to map the phone number. So this was the phone number. We are not having the additional phone details and the website and other details. So I'm just leaving it as blank. If you're having any of the details, you can map it over here. Owner ID is automatically captured. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new contact is created into our Flowloo account. Let's check it. Here we will be moving to the CRM section and click on contacts. Okay, and here we can see that Adam Smith is created as a new contact over here and we can find the phone number as well as the email address. So in this way our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So now we have to check this in the real time whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that I'll just move to my FormStack account once again and I'll open the form in a new tab so that we can fill in the details on the name of some other customer. This time let us give the first name as Smitha, last name as Arya, email address as Smitha Arya 22@gmail.com and let's add the phone number and click on submit form. Thank you, the form was submitted successfully. The form has been filled. Now let's check our Flowloo account. We have to refresh it. And here we can see that a new customer is created named Smitha Arya. Here we can find the phone number as well as the email address. So in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. So whenever the customer is going to fill that lead form, automatically his details will be created as a new contact to your Flowlo account. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and we are going to see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay. So first we have created an integration between FormStack and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission. And using those details, automatically a new contact was created into your Flowlo account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between FormStack and Flowlo using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.